Welcome back, guys. Today's video is going to be very interesting for all of us. I will talk about Discord, a messaging app, streaming, voice call, or voice discussion. So, let's begin, guys. Firstly, search for Discord in Play Store. It's look like this. You need to install. I have already installed it. Look, these are the features. I will show you. As you see, here is 4.5 rating stars. After installation, the app looks like this. When you open, firstly, you need to register yourself. Click on the register button. After clicking on button, here is the register from phone number and email address. Then write down your phone number, then click on the next button. You will get code and type it. Then choose a username and write it and your password. Then select your birth date. That's it for sign up. Then click on the get started. Allow all permission they ask for you. Then enter your name. If you want to invite your friend, then click on the invite button and send it through the social media or any other app. This page is for creating your own server. We will skip this one, afterwards we will discuss it. And this one is asking for connecting with your friends or family, otherwise connecting with community. And this is your profile dashboard. Now first set your status. These are the status for your profile. This is for customize your own status. As you see, I am changing my status. In your account information, you can customize your name or anything if you want. Or if you want to change your password, you can change it afterwards. At bottom there is disable account and delete account. If you want to delete your account, then click on the delete account or disable account. And here is privacy and safety. Read and understand carefully. I am showing you each steps and don't be confused. There is connection option. At the top right, add option is there. Click and connect with other app. And this one is scan QR code. And these are the subscriptions. If you want subscription, then click on the button. And this is server boost. Nitro gifting, and this is also for paid version. And these are app settings. Guys, you can see it afterwards. I will skip this one. Now for notification, these are the notification for this app. And you can change your text and image. And this is appearance, also means that for the theme of the app. And next setting. And for language for this app, as you see, these are the language. You can select as you want. Change log also means updated news for this app. At top right, logout button, then logout. Now guys, I will show you how to join a Discord server. Like example, I will search for gamer server. I will click on the first link, then choose first app. As you see, there is a server name is there, and click on the button. Now click on the server rules. And this is a interface of this channel. There is many channels and sub channels are there, and also voice chats is also there. You can also make it. When new user log in through the link, the welcome chat is there. And here is your recent activity and recent message. Copy ID is ID of this channel. You can copy it and also share with your friend. Click on the button and invite your friend or family through the social media. If you want to leave the server, then click on the leave server. Each server have own server information. You can read all of it. And this is announcement. Each server have one announcements. And this is YouTube feeds. Reaction role channel. You can set your own role. In some channel, you cannot allow to write or chat. And this is events channel. A gamer server must have this channel. A general channel, this is common for all of us because we can chat with each other.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling it's not the life I want to live. I want to take it all.
This is funny. You can see the channel name is counting, and I am writing down the next counting number. And the famous is memes, as you know. If you want to send any suggestion, you can write it. This is voice channel. You can connect with each other. For connecting with your voice, you need to give permission. Afterwards, you can connect with your voice or with phone or speaker. If someone mention you, you can see there. In future, if you want to leave channel server, you can just click on leave server. Now it's time to create your own server. You need to choose any one of these, and also here. Now set your server as you like.
I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me.
Now it's time to share your invitation link with your friend, family and colleagues.
So if we had another chance,
This is your newly server. Congrats. Now create your channel name. There is two button for voice channel or text channel. You can choose it. Now it's time to create some categories for my server. And in the category, I create one channel. As you see, I created and I set some rules for my own server. I created a general channel and I write something. You can send file, photos, video, audios in server. As you see, this is photo. You can download it and also share with your friend. And I send one document in this server, and this is my document. You are also able to send emojis in this server. In right side some features is there, you can see it. Once again I tried to make voice channel. Here it is, and you can connect with your voice call. Recently I searched for programming server, and I got this and I just connected. Few of these servers wants agreement for joining the server. Boot of this server is welcoming me. And here is one channel for web development, HTML and CSS. As you see, and this channel is for Python users. They will discuss some issues and discussions. Yeah, for programmer they also need some music. Thank you friends for watching my video.